Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Oston back again with another simple tutorial. So in this video, we are going to be creating a simple Google Chrome app. In the previous tutorial, if you have watched it, it's already on my channel. I showed you how you can create a simple Google Chrome extension. And this is what we created. A simple time zone finder. I know it's very funny. There is some simple JavaScript that retrieves back the time, the month. So this is what you get. When you click this button, get time zone, you get this. So it's a simple Google Chrome extension that we created there. So if you want to see how we created that, make sure you check out the tutorial. It's already on the channel. I guess it's the one you'll find immediately after this. So in this simple tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple Google Chrome app, which is not an extension. So if I'm to check in the apps that I have, I'm using a Chromebook. If I'm to check, if you are to check here, there is nothing like an app that we are going to be duplicating. It's going to be our own app. As you can see, it's going to be having a custom name. So what you need to do, first you have to get your app icon. I have there is some, not, it's not mine. There is some simple website here. You can go and search for any icon that you want. So I decided to go with this because I want this app to be unique. We are not going to be duplicating any app. So I'm going to click on this PNG link and they are going to tell me to save this. I'm going to save my files inside this folder called the Chrome app. It has been saved, and the normal size that they recommend on these Google Chrome extension or apps, it is 128 by 128, the height and width. So we have got this icon which is going to be our Google Chrome app icon. So I can go back in my text editor. What you need to be having, it's a simple file called the manifest file. It is written in JSON. So I'm going to save this, access my folder which is called the Chrome app, and I'm going to create a file called manifest.json. So it's written in JSON. Save that and write this. We put our two curly braces here. I'm going to zoom in so that you see everything clearly. And what I wanted to show you, I want to show you as we follow along. We go to, you click this icon here, go to more tools, then extensions. So here, at first, this is the extension I created. Now, if you are to scroll down here, they will show you that Chrome apps, there is nothing like the app we are going to be creating here. So it's going to be our own custom Chrome app. The basic manifest key names that they need, we need to specify the manifest version, manifest underscore version, which is 2. It's always 2. Then we need to specify the name of the app that we are creating. So my app is going to be called Oston Search. So I want it to be unique. You can call it anything you want. Oh, no, Oston channel, sorry. Oston channel. Then comma. Then you need to specify the version of your app. So my app version is going to be 2.0. Then here you need to specify also the description. So what your app is all about. So description. And I'm going to say this app enables you to search let me not say search, to access my channel content easily. So that's some simple. This app enables you to search, to access my channel content easily, or my channel easily. I'm going to stop there. So as you can see, we are trying to put some basic information that they need from an app. You can see here there is a name, the description. If I'm to turn on the developer mode, you can see the name of the app, the version. If at all it has the description, it will be displayed there. So far that's what we have done. We have given it the name, the version, and the description. So below here, we are going to go ahead and give it an icon. As you can see, all the apps have their own icons. So I'm going to come here in my code. I say icons, so it's a manifest keyword. You need to use icons. Then here it's the key name or keyword. It's you put the size of the icon. If I'm to check in this folder, the icon I got, so right click. Maybe for you, you will check properties. Right now on this Chromebook, I just right click and say get info. And if I'm to check the size, it's 128 by 128. So that's the size of this icon. So here in my code, I specify the size here first, then also the icon name, which is called find.png. So that's it for the icon. Now we need to tell the browser that this is an app. I'm going to show you how the basic example where we created the Chrome extension. I'm going to open that manifest file for the Chrome extension. It is an extension. As you can see here, to specify that is an extension, we use the manifest keyword called the browser action. That's it when we are creating an extension. Now for an app, the manifest keyword we have to use is called app. So we are telling the browser that this is an app. Put two curly braces and we specify the URL. So URLs, these are fake URLs that I'm going to be creating. I'm going to put the URLs to YouTube, youtube.com, then put a comma there. Then also specify the launch. When we click that icon, where do we want to go? So they are going to be launching this link that you are going to see, SP of launch. Hope I spelled it correctly. So it's an object and we are going to be accessing this web URL, which is going to be https oh https. I think also this one has to be s secure. YouTube is secure. youtube.com/Oston code Cypher. So this is a simple way that we are going to be creating this dummy app. Then I guess that's it. If you are to save this, we have saved it. Then let me close this so that I show you from start where we are supposed to go. So you click this icon that you're seeing here, go to more tools, then extensions. Then you can see there is no app. What we need to do, you have to switch on the developer mode. By default it will be like this. So make sure where you see my cursor, switch on the developer mode, then load unpacked. You may see load unpacked. So we select this folder we created, the Chrome app, and this is our app. They are telling you Oston channel, the version which is 2.0. This app enables you the description to access my channel easily. So if you are to check also in the apps that I added to my list, if I scroll down, oh, do you see it anywhere? But I kind of see it. It's here called Oston channel. Let me see if I can search it here and I get it here. It's here, Oston channel. When I click it, it's going to be redirecting to my YouTube channel link. It's very, very simple. So that's the basic way you can create a simple Google Chrome app. As you can see, it's even put under the Chrome apps, not the extensions. As I told you, the difference is here. Here, when you are creating an app, we use the manifest keyword of app. If you are creating an extension, we use the manifest keyword of browser action. So in the previous tutorial, I kinda rounded up the video very early, but in this tutorial, I would like to show you how you can publish these Chrome extension or apps to the web store, Chrome web store. So make sure you go to chrome.google.com/web store. So I'm going to be showing you how you can easily upload these simple Chrome apps. You forgive me for the slow internet. So when you are inside this web store, what you have to do is click this gear icon where you're seeing settings, and click the developer dashboard. Forgive me for the slow internet. Oh, it needs me to log in. Wow. Now, this is the extension I created. I tried to publish it. So what you have to do is come outside your file, right click on it. So make it a zip file. So for me, I choose zip selection, and they are going to create a zip folder here. So when you want to add that, oh, by the way, put this in your mind before you uploading any item. So here they call them items, not extension or Chrome apps. Before adding any item to their web servers or service, you need to pay a one-off developer registration fee of $5. As you can see, a one-off developer registration fee of $5 is required to verify your account and publish icons. So you can click here and pay that fee. But if you are done publishing, even we have not yet paid, so click this add new item. So as you can see, upload an extension or app. So we can click here and select our zipped file or folder we created. So when you're done, they will show you the size. Just click upload and it will upload, and they'll ask you for some extra information, the screenshots. In case you have a video that is already published on YouTube, you can also put it there and users get to know what it does. As you can see here, they're telling me search. So you can read, you can come here and upload your icon, that the one you used when you're creating that app, which is this. So Chrome app, I can upload this. You can see even the accepted dimension 128 by 128. You can see they have given it an icon. You can come and put the description, add screenshots of that app. It will show you the size here, promotional titles or images. You can come and select the website where it's belonging to. You can choose the category where it falls. So this is very, very simple, guys. If this tutorial, you select the language, simple information, and click publish changes. So guys, if this tutorial was useful to you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it on different social medias, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorials. Peace. Make sure you check out also this Chrome extension tutorial that I created.